Hello everyone, welcome to the SRBPS online classes. Today we will do our third basic operation, that is multiplication. Till now class we have done our two basic operation used in math, that are addition and subtraction. Today we will cover our third basic operation, that is multiplication. Yes, the numbers which are multiplied are called the factors. Class, the numbers which we are going to multiply, all those numbers are called as factors. The number obtained by multiplying those factors, the answer will be called as product. Once again I am repeating, the number obtained by multiplying those two factors, after that whatever the result is get, that is known as product. Just see here in this example, here we have two numbers 5 and 4. When we will multiply these numbers, so we will get the result 20. As we are multiplying these two numbers, so these are called as the factors. And the result after multiplying, whatever the result we get after multiplying, that is called product. So 4 and 5 are the factors of 20. Now let's read the properties of multiplication. Our first property of multiplication is the product will remain the same on changing the order of the numbers. Class, the same property we have done in the properties of addition. Remember, it means that if we will change the order of the numbers, then also our result will remain same. Let us understand with the help of example. As my first number is 9 and the second number is 8. If I'll multiply these two numbers, I'll get 72. 9 8s are 72. But if I'll put my second number as a first number and first number as a second number, then also the result will remain same. 8 9s are 72. So this was our first property. Now let's move the second property. This is also called as the zero property of multiplication. When 0 is multiplied to a number, we get 0 as the product. Once again I am repeating my words. If 0 is multiplied to any number, always we will get 0 as the product. Class, you can check also, whenever you are going to multiply 0 with any number, always the result will be 0. Now let's understand the multiplication concept when the zeros are given in the factors. Yes, see here, this is the shortcut method of doing the multiplication. In order to multiply a number by 10, 100, 1000, simply put 1, 2 and 3 zeros respectively at the end of the given number. Let's understand this concept with the help of one example. The question is, find the product of 15,600 with 250. So when the zeros are given in the factors, so we can use one shortcut method of multiplication. For that, our first step is multiply both the numbers by removing zeros. Class, first of all we have to multiply these factors and we have to ignore zeros. You can see in the first factor 2 zeros are there and in second factor 1 0 is there. We will just ignore these zeros. So first factor will be 156 if I'll remove these 2 zeros, and the second factor will be 25 if I'll remove this 1 0. So what we have to do in our first step, we will multiply 156 with 25. When we will multiply 156 with 25, we will get 3900 as the product. Clear? Now, our second step is count the number of the zeros on right of factors. Here we are having two factors. One is 15,600 and second is 250. So in our first factor, how many zeros are there, class? Here we are having two zeros. In second factor, we are having here 1 0. So total how many zeros we are having in these two factors? Yes, we are having 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 zeros in total. Now, at last, or we can say the final step, that is write the product. Write the product. Yes, class, what product we have calculated? 3900. So we will write here 3900 as we have calculated the product 3900. So firstly we will write the product 3900. Then and place zeros at the right of the product. How many zeros are there? We have calculated in our step 2. Here we have calculated 3 zeros. So we have to place those zeros at the right. See here, I have put 3 zeros in the right of that number. So after, yes, when we will combine these digits, our final answer will be 39 lakh. So this is the shortcut method of doing the multiplication. Class, if we will not follow this method, so what we have to do? We have to multiply 15,600 with 250. So it will be a very big calculation. So instead of going for that long procedure, we have to follow these steps and we will get easily our result. So today we have studied about our third operation, that is multiplication. And in my next video, we are going to study about our fourth basic operation. So till the time, take care and bye everyone.